Hello, this is Chris back again with another video. How can the DJI Mavic Pro compete with the DJI Mavic Air and the Autel Evo? Well, maybe my low-hanging ball can help. Hello, this is Chris back again with another video. Today we have the DJI Mavic Pro, and we're going to be testing a few different attachments where you can attach a 360 camera on your DJI Mavic Pro. So I have this attachment. I could also connect it to the thing in the back here, sorry. It also has a screw hole where I could put the 360 camera up higher, or there's an attachment that goes below the drone. Oh, good, I can do it. Alright, so it's on there. So this is the next attachment that we'll be trying. But I can already feel that it's a lot heavier. I'm going to use this to protect the gimbal, so if it does crash, and I'm not going to be going too far. So hopefully this works. Okay, so I'm going to be using my phone to record, and I'm going to be using the Mavic controller because I'm not really going to go that far with it. And I think I could press record on here. Yes, press record right here to record some video from the Mavic to see how stable it is. So hopefully this goes well, but I'm not going to go over the water, obviously. So here we go. As you can see, it's holding it pretty well. So that's like no problem whatsoever. Alright, I won't be testing flight times because I want to test the other attachment too. Yeah, that's buttery smooth. Alright, let's test it out. Just flying. I'm just going to fly low so you can see. I don't know if you can see that. So it's just look for the white ball. Let me turn it around and come right back. For the white ball. Pretty smooth. So if you go nice and easy and not put it in sport mode, I don't think it'll come off. Alright. Let's try the next attachment. And let me land right here. Alright, the next attachment I'm going to have to take off by hand.
Another one? Is it the last one?
Yeah, the last one.
Because I have to grab a lot of things.
Steph, I'm almost done.
Yes.
Okay. Are you recording me?
Yes.
Alright, just record as much as you can. It looks pretty stable. It's slight vibration, but I could change that with the propeller. It is pretty heavy, and it's handling it just fine. Just stay on that camera. I'm gonna land in my hand now. Okay, I just got back. Hopefully you enjoyed the video footage of these different attachments that I got. I'll try to leave a link in the description. I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that, but I did buy this from Amazon. And here's the other attachment that fits over the battery compartment, and it even has a spot where you can click on the battery. You can screw in your action camera 360 camera here or on top, and this one you can only screw it in this one, and it seems like it's pretty well balanced. It has two different wedges here that fit into the back of the DJI Mavic Pro, and then one little wedge here that goes right over the top sensor or the bottom sensor of the DJI Mavic Pro. Now, I want to make some direct comparisons with the new drones that came out, the DJI Mavic Air and the Autel Evo. Actually, that was showcased in CES, but it's going to come out in late March, I've heard. I also heard that the DJI Mavic Pro 2 should be coming out in late March as well, so that's going to be very interesting to see. Now, if I had the money, I would buy every single drone because I love adding drones to the arsenal and just put them in the rotation and just and I enjoy flying. Now I'm on kind of a budget. I already have a DJI Mavic Pro, and so I've been asking whether I should get the DJI Mavic Air That's about 800, 900 bucks just for that. And for the fly more combo, that's going to be around €1,000 or so. The Autel Evo starts at $1,300 or €1,300. Now, I think about that. Well, how could I compete with the DJI Mavic Pro? How can I make it better? Well, in my opinion, these accessories do just that. Now, the Autel Evo has, the one that they showcased at CES, has the same sensor as the DJI Mavic Air and the DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Air can shoot at 4K at 100 megabits per second, and I think the Autel Evo can too. Mavic Pro, 60 bits. And the other thing is the DJI Mavic Air has a higher frame rate, 120 frames per second at 1080p. The DJI Mavic Pro is 90 frames per second. Okay, but this particular 360 camera that I have, is broken. Only one lens is working. And I didn't charge it today. But I just wanted to test it out today, and I'm going to do some more, flight performance tests, test out the battery life, etc., etc. But the new 360 camera, I guess it's new, 2017, the Samsung Gear 2017, whatever, it not only can shoot 360, but it can also at 1080p go at 120 frames per second. So boom, you're on par with the DJI Mavic Air. So that's pretty cool. It shoots in 4K. Obviously, it's a 360 camera, so it can do all that. The Autel Evo is supposed to have not only the same sensor as the DJI Mavic Air and the DJI Mavic Pro, but it's also going to have some other drones that have a 1-inch sensor and another one that's going to have a 360 camera. Okay, so I'm a person that has a DJI Mavic Pro. I buy this accessory and this one. I think they came together. And just for a couple $100s, I can basically have the same features as those other two drones. And that's why I'm a happy camper. And hopefully this helps a couple of you out there who have a DJI Mavic Pro and you're thinking, should I add the DJI Mavic Air to my arsenal? Or should you get one of these accessories? A few of you might be saying that, well, maybe it's going to wear down the rotors. Maybe it's going to affect battery life and it's going to be too hard on the batteries, or it's going to overheat. Well, I'm going to try to test out the battery life. I'm going to try to fix the slight vibration issue, but it's not like I'm going to be flying this all the time. I'm just going to be flying with this on occasion. When I want a 360 view, or I want a good panorama view, or whatever feature that my Mavic Pro doesn't have. And the other thing is, how long do you keep a cell phone? Some people, keep it for a couple years, and that's great, and then the batteries wear down, and you need to get new batteries. The rotors are not going to last forever, but the thing is, you can always buy spare parts and repair them, just like what I've done for the Parrot Bebop 2 and with the DJI Phantom 3 Standard. Things are going to happen, but if I'm just going to enjoy the product to the fullest and repair it when I need to. But if I could have something that's a couple $100 versus $1,000 or $800, then I'm going to go with a couple $100, obviously. And lastly, again, if I had the money, I would buy the Mavic Air and the Autel Evo, no questions asked. They're awesome drones. I'm just someone that has a Mavic Pro, and I want to save a few bucks. And maybe have the same features as those new drones. Alright, well, hopefully I helped a few of you out there. Please like, subscribe, and more videos to come.